Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to show general notifications on Google Chrome. Notifications can keep you updated on important events and messages, so let's ensure you have them set up correctly. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're not already using Chrome, go ahead and launch it now. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then find Site Settings in the center pane. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you see Notifications. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. To enable notifications, look for the option that says Show Notifications at the top of this section. Make sure this option is toggled on. This allows websites to send you notifications directly to your desktop. If you want to customize further, you can also manage specific sites by adding or blocking them from sending notifications. This is useful if there are certain websites you'd like to receive alerts from, while blocking others that may be less relevant. After making your selections, simply close the Settings tab. You've now successfully enabled general notifications on Google Chrome. Remember, managing notifications effectively can help streamline your browsing experience and keep you informed without overwhelming you with alerts. Thanks for tuning in.